Hi, for this video, I will show you examples of different types of patterns in nature. First pattern is symmetry. These are my examples. Flowers, which is a radial symmetry, and the face of a cat as a mirror symmetry. Next is fractals. These are infinitely self-similar, iterated mathematical constructs having fractal dimension. An example of this is this plant. Ipil-ipil leaves, cedar leaves, malunggay leaves, and the veins of the papaya leaf. Next is spot. This can be found in this foxtail palm, stones, and this caladium plant. Check out the stripe patterns in this snake plant, in the trunk of a foxtail palm, and the playumil plant. Now, these are the examples of crack patterns in nature. These rocks, and the bark of this tree. You can also find chaos pattern in this vortex street of clouds. Another pattern is spiral. An example of this are the ampalaya vines and this onion. For tessellation, an example of this is this corn. For waves, a river wave is an example of this. And also, this river is an example of a pattern called meander.